It's your boy Mills over here with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I went into the city and picked up my reserved pair that I got on Foot Locker. If you saw on my Instagram, I posted that I won one pair only, and it was at Foot Locker. So this is the pair. This is the box. You already know what it is from the title. Yeezy 350 Lundmarks, size 12.5. Colorway is Lundmark, which is Lundmark. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Standard 350 box. You know how that goes. They all the same standard 350 box. Nothing really special about it. But with that said, let's get into it. Here you go, guys. This is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lundmark edition. As you can see, it is predominantly gray knitted upper, and you got your see-through stripe. That's the new style he's been doing. This is the first pair that comes with no pull tab. He hasn't done this since the original Beluga 350s. They had no pull tab. All the other ones after that, I believe, had pull tabs. This is the first time in a while that he does no pull tabs. Bottom sole is like a light gum sole, I would say. And then of course you got your milky midsole. It's like a milky, almost grayish. I don't know. It's a weird color. It's got like some yellow tint in it as well. I think that has to do with the boost. It's on the inside. You can see the boost, the white boost on the inside. On the insole, you got your Adidas and Yeezy branding. You got your size tag right there, 12.5. When I picked these up, when I checked in, the girl was like, "Wow, you're lucky. We only had 3 size 12.5." I was like, "Yeah, I don't know how I hit on the 12.5. I never hit on the 12.5 from Yeezy. I mean from Foot Locker, from the Foot apps. This is the first time I hit on a 12.5 on a Foot app. 12.5, I mean. As you can see there, 12.5 US, Yeezy Boost 350 V2. You got your 3 stripes in the back, 3 stripe life, oh yeah. On the back, you don't really have anything, you just have that gray piece that comes up, that gum piece that comes up from the bottom of the sole to the top. And your toe cap, I think it's the same. Yes, your toe cap has that gum as well. So it's like a two-tone sole. You got that light gum bottom there, and then you got your milky, creamish midsole. And of course you have your hint of boost that you can see through the outsole. And then of course your lettering right there, boost on the bottom. As we all know, that's how these have always been. But I just wanted to make a quick review on these, just in case if you guys ordered them online and you wanted to see how they look at least in video, not in person. I mean, they're in my hands, but they're not in your hands, so you can't see them, but at least you can see them on this video. And you got the little silver tabs there that make it comfortable. I believe 350 V2s are meant to, I believe they were meant to be worn with no socks. That's why all the cushioning, all the padding that they have, all that suede right there, that's like to keep your foot from slipping out when you wear them. That's what I believe. I'm not too sure that's 100% accurate, but that's what I was thinking. But that upper is nice. It's like a gray with like an off-white. They kind of remind me of the Statics in a way, but in a way they're not the Statics. I don't know, it's hard to say. I feel like the Statics were more like a white and black, and this is more like a cream and gray. And this was a regional release, so it was US. Is it US and Europe only, I believe? I'm going to put up the graphic right now. There you go. And yeah, this is a really nice pair. I'm probably keeping these. I'm not too sure. It's hard to get 12.5s, and I think the 12.5 will fit me. I don't know if you guys remember what I made my video on the, I believe it was the glows. If it wasn't the glows, it was the Statics as well, that I said that I don't really rock 13s anymore because it's like too loose and it hurts me up here because my foot My toe keeps rubbing on the top up here, so I'm guessing that's because the size was a little too big, so my foot was moving around in there. But these are probably a little bit more snug. I gotta try them on. I haven't tried them on yet. I'm gonna give them a shot and see how they fit. Fit good, then it's a keeper. The laces are 3M reflective. There was also the static reflective pair that came out, but I missed on those. I did not get through. Did I try? I think I did try. I don't even remember, man. So many releases, so many things coming out. It's crazy to keep up with all this stuff. I don't know how a lot of you guys do it, man. But more power to you if you're keeping up with all these releases and purchasing every single release to do reviews on. I only can pick up with so many to do reviews on, so. But if you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure to follow my Instagram. Also, in the description box below, I put my website. I'm trying to start up a website myself. So check that out. See if you like anything. You can always DM me on Instagram, and I'm always available to talk, or comment down below, and I'll respond when I get a chance. Alright? And with that said, I'm out. Peace.